What's going on, guys? So we got another gun review today, and this is a gun from TEMU, same brand name as the R500 that we just did. It was like, I don't know, 40 something dollars, but it's basically a 5500 Sata knockoff. So this is my 5500, and this is this gun. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of similarities. The only thing that's different is that one has a round air adjuster. This is shaped just a little bit different. The triggers are about the same. The gun bottoms are about the same. I mean, they're pretty close. And then when you look at the needles, this one here has more air holes than the 5500 does. But they are pretty close on par. There's a little bit of difference in the not air cap there. Let's take this off and see if it has. It does have an air cap distribution ring inside there, kind of like the Sata does. So we're going to see how this thing sprays. So we got a car today. This is a tri-stage color, Ford. And we're going to put some paint on it and see what happens, to see if this thing's worth anything. I mean, it feels pretty good, looks pretty good, so hopefully it's a 1-3. Let's get into it. All right, so we're going to throw some base coat blender on top of this because it is pearl white. We want to make sure that all of our blends turn out well, so let's see how this does. Honestly, it sprays pretty good. So far, I'm happy with it, but we'll see how it sprays clear. All right, now we're going to spray our base coat. Alright, now we're going to put on our top coat of pearl. Looks pretty good. Alright, we're going to put on our first coat of clear coat. Alright guys, we got everything done, finished up, all of our clear coat on. So my thoughts on this gun is it's not a bad gun, but there's way better options for the price. This does not spray like any Sata. The R500 outsprays this by miles, The fan on it's pretty wide, but it's like it needs a 1.5, and however they designed their caps, a 1.5 or something is what it needs. It needs a lot more fluid coming out. But other than that, I mean, it's not a horrible gun. It sprays decent, it'll put a finish on, but it just takes a lot to get there. So let's take a look. So, I mean, it came out pretty good. I mean, it put it out to where it's, glass, we did the bumper, that turned out really good, but it's just not what it should be. I'm gonna show you what this looks like after it's done. So this was the one that we painted the bumper and the hood on. As it's pearl, it's pearl white as you can see, but you can see the color here. Perfect match on the hood, the fender. Bumper's perfect match. Everything turned out really slick and nice. So, job done. Just wanted to show you guys the end product. And I mean, it laid the clear down pretty good. I mean, it laid it down just as good as my other guns, but it just takes a lot to get there. I mean, you gotta work it. That's why if you look in the video, like I'm spraying slow, because it's not putting out much. But it's not a bad gun, guys, so there you go. If you find anything that looks like a 5500, don't even waste your time. Just pick up something else. But, for 40 bucks, if you come across one that somebody's got and they want like 10 bucks for it or something, hey, that's a different story. Pick that up. That's all we got. So, we're still trying to get a hold of the last person that won the giveaway. I still haven't got anything back from them. So if I don't hear anything, I guess soon, It might just have to go back up. So probably Monday, that'll be the video, that'll be the next giveaway. So don't forget to watch that video. Peace.